In this video, we are looking at transforming a logarithm into linear form. Logarithms can be used to convert curves into straight lines. So we have our x and y values there, and we're given an equation y equals kx to the m. And we have to find the values of k and m to 2 decimal places. So we're going to take logs, or take a natural logarithm of both sides, so that we can get the form of y equals mx plus c, which is our linear form. So let's write out the equation in that style, in that form. I'll use brackets as well just to separate. So kx to the m. So we have this multiplying k times x to the m. So our law of logarithms, we can add them. When you multiply, you add. And then x to the m. And from there, we can put the m exponent out front for our third term. So we have m ln x. So we're simplifying everything down so that we can separate out our values. So if you look at this now, ln y could be y. And I'm just going to rearrange it a little bit more, put m and ln x in the middle, just so the linear form looks the way you're used to, for y equals mx plus c. So m is our gradient, x would be an x value, and c is our y-intercept. So we're checking here if the variables for x and y satisfy this equation that we've been given. I can see that the y-intercept is 2, but we'll solve it there anyway. So y2 is 10.2 minus 2.0 for y1, all over x2, which is 6, so 6 minus 0. And we should get a positive result. (41 over 30 is our gradient. So that's m. From there, you're going to choose a set of points. So we have 2 sets. I'm going to choose the second one. X is equal to 6, and y is equal to 10.2. I'm going to plug them into our formula, y equals mx plus c. So in this case, we have to find c. And from there, of course, c is equal to 2. Nice. Okay, so ln k was what represents c. So ln k, if you look just a little bit above, represents c. So ln k is equal to 2. So you could say k is equal to e to the 2. And you'll get your calculator out for this. And it's 7.39. So there's our value for k. We already have our value for m. We just want to make sure to write it as stated in the question, correct to 2 decimal places. Again, just a little calculator work there. Just make sure you're doing it in what's being asked, the convention being asked in the question. So 41 over 30 is 1.37, and that's your final answer.